Hindi ako makapaniwala na eto na 18 ka na. Dati noon, ikaw pa yung baby ko. Pero hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin yung baby ko. Kung ano man mga mithin mo sa buhay, lagi mo lang ilapit sa ating Panginoong Diyos at hindi ka masusunod. Happy birthday ate, mahal na mahal kita.
Happy birthday, Ate Dance. May this 18th birthday be the start of an incredible chapter in your life.
I hope that your 18th birthday will be the start of your adventurous life. And again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Sana lumaki ang mabait na bata at makamit mo lahat ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Happy birthday.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a round of applause to our dear debutant, Dan!
Happy birthday, Ate Lorraine. Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. Yun lang. I love you.
I wish you all the best and I can't wait to see you achieve the things that you talk about. Love you.
Ano ang masasabi ko, Apo? Happy birthday.
You're already grown up na nakakaiyak. Can't imagine yung baby girl namin dati na taba ching-ching is now a lady. Anak, always remember, friends may come and go, but we, your family, will stay forever. I love you from the bottom of my umbilical cord to yours.
One word that I'd use to describe you is one of a kind.
Broken bones are worth it.
One word I'd use to describe you is amazing.
They prove you're alive.
Happy birthday, Ate Po. I love you po.
No fears or regrets. Just take the jump and hold your breath.
I'm happy for you. And you're 80 now. Dalaga ka na. Hope you have more birthdays to celebrate. Happy birthday, Apo. I love you.
We want you to know that we love you so much and we are so proud of you, anak.